Hey, what's up guys? It's Mr. Roark here. There's the bell right as soon as I hit this thing. What I wanted to do really quickly, 8th graders, is I wanted to show you guys how to find the last section on the Pythagorean Theorem, which is going to be solving for this leg, this missing side over here. So to do that, what I want to do, and by the way, there's going to be another bell ringing in just a minute. That's my lunch. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a 16 here. I'm going to put a 13 here. This is what's on your page as well, okay? Now, like we had before, we don't know what this one is. So whenever I start solving the a squared plus b squared equals c squared, I'm going to leave this part out because, again, I don't know it. So a squared stays just the way it is. B squared, we know is 13, so 13 squared equals c squared, which in this case is going to be 16 squared. Okay? Now, with this being the case, I'm not changing this part. But we do know that 13 squared is the same thing as saying 13 times 13, which is 169, all right? 16 squared, like we did in the last problem, we said was 256, okay? Now again, my goal is going to be to get a squared by itself, and the way that I do that is I'm going to subtract out the 169 off of the left side. If I do it on this side, though, I have to do it over here, so minus 169 again. Okay? What that leaves me with is that a squared is 87. Okay? Now, 87 obviously is way too big for this, because we've got one side, the bottom, which is 13. We've got a hypotenuse, which is 16. There is no way that is 87, but there are numerous students who over and over again will put the answer 87 there. Like we said in the first one, we looked at how to find the hypotenuse, this long one. The opposite of a number squared is basically the square root of a number. So in this case, I've got, instead of having 87 squared, what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to do the square root of 87. All right? I'm going to do the square root of 87. What that comes out to on this problem is 9.33. Okay? Which makes way more sense over here than what 87 ever would. Now, as always, if you guys have any questions, you can always come find me in room 12, and I will probably see you guys in the hallway as well. Thanks, guys. See ya.